Choosing the best autofocus modes on your Sony camera. If you're using a Sony Alpha camera, including models like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, A7 V, or similar, selecting the right autofocus mode can significantly enhance your photography experience. Whether you're capturing stationary subjects, fast-moving action, or switching between scenarios, understanding how to use each mode is key to achieving the best results. Step 1. Access the Focus Mode menu. Turn on your Sony Alpha camera. Press the FN function button or go to the Focus Mode menu. Navigate to the available focus modes and select the one that matches your subject and shooting conditions. From here, try to understand the different autofocus modes. AF-S, Single Shot AF, best for still subjects. Focus locks when the shutter button is half pressed, ideal for portraits and landscapes. AF-C, Continuous AF, perfect for moving subjects such as sports or wildlife. The camera continually adjusts focus as the subject moves. AF-A, Automatic AF, automatically switches between AF-S and AF-C depending on subject motion. Great for general photography. DMF, Direct Manual Focus, combines autofocus with manual fine-tuning, useful for critical focus adjustments. MS, Manual Focus, allows full manual control of the focus ring, or low-light photography. Step 2. Go to the Focus Area menu and select an option that suits your composition and subject's behavior. Wide, covers the entire frame, allowing the camera to choose the focus point automatically. Zone, focuses on a specific area of the frame. Excellent for tracking subjects. Center, keeps focus fixed at the center, ideal for centralized compositions. Flexible spots, lets you manually pick a focus point within the frame, with small, medium, or large spot sizes. Expand flexible spots, tracks subject even if they temporarily move away from the focus point. By understanding and choosing the best autofocus modes and areas on your Sony Alpha camera, you can tailor your settings to suit various scenarios and capture sharp, professional quality images. Let me know if this guide was helpful or if you need further assistance.